Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Today we are going to talk about a common issue faced by many taxpayers in India, that is denial of foreign tax credit just because Form 67 was filed late. Now let's start with a quick background. Indian taxation is based on residency and not citizenship. So if you are a tax resident in India, your global income becomes taxable here, even if you're not an Indian citizen. But of course, you're allowed to claim credit of taxes you've paid outside India under Section 90 or 91 of Income Tax Act. But Rule 128 of Income Tax Rules requires you to file Form 67 on or before the due date of filing Indian tax return, that is the ITR. So here's where the issue began. Many taxpayer filed their Form 67 after the due date, and the tax department disallowed the foreign tax credit, leading to additional tax liability. Sounds unfair, right? Paying double tax on same income, basically. But this has become a genuine hardship for many residents working or earning abroad. But don't worry, there is a way out, and let's look at what you can do. So, in practical scenario, if you filed your income tax return on time, but there is a delay in filing your Form 67 beyond the due date, you'll be receiving an intimation under Section 143, subsection 1 of Income Tax Act from the tax department disallowing your foreign tax credit. The good thing is this intimation or order, we can say, is appealable before Commissioner of Income Tax Appeal within 30 days of date of this intimation. As a remedy to this situation, you can file Form 35 to appeal before the Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals. This Form 35 will need to be supported with a detailed statement of fact of your case and the grounds you're appealing for. You'll also need to pay a small fees which could go as high as 1000 rupees. Also, if you have missed that 30 days window, you'll also need to request the CIT appeal for condoning the delay by citing a valid reason which is applicable on your case. But then again, if too much time has passed and you cannot justify the delay now, you can file a rectification application under Section 154 before your assessing officer. In this application, basically you will be requesting the assessing officer to allow the foreign tax credit. Now, in practice, most assessing officer reject such application citing delay in filing Form 67. But here's the trick. Even that rejection order under Section 154 is appealable before CIT appeals. So, whichever route you take, you'll eventually get the chance to appeal and present your case properly. Once your matter reaches CIT appeal, there is a strong chance of getting the relief of foreign tax credit. Several judicial precedents have already held that delayed filing of Form 67 should not deny genuine foreign tax credit. And even if the CIT appeal doesn't rule in your favor, you can always go to second stage of appeal, that is before the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal, which has often sided with the taxpayer in such cases. So the key takeaway is don't panic if your foreign tax credit is disallowed due to late filing of Form 67. You have remedies available and the law supports genuine taxpayers. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more tax insights and practical solutions. And let me know in the comments how do you think about this video and what topics should we cover next. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.